Hello, I'm so glad you could join me today. I have a card for you that is such a sweet little card. I made it using supplies from the June 2021 Spellbinders card kit of the month, and I've laid it out here for you, but I haven't adhered anything yet. So this is an A2 size card. You get 10 of these in the kit. It's a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, going across the top and down the side. And then this panel of pattern paper, I just cut that down 1/4 of an inch shorter all the way around, so you'd have a white border. So it's 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then these two mats here, the orange one is 3 by 3 1/4, and the pink is 2 3/4 by 2 3/8. And I'm just going to adhere those on the diagonal. Now you can go ahead and line up these two bottom points together if you like the way that looks. I checked that out and I put my cute little, this is the most precious little giraffe, and then this cute little saying, always in my thoughts. But I didn't love it, so I just moved that pink piece up a little and straightened it out, and then I think that looks beautiful. Now you do have some options. There's lots of stuff in this kit, so I'm just showing you. You could use the speech bubble and stamp happy birthday or any other greeting you'd like. And there's also other animals. You get a cute little pink cheetah with a birthday hat. There's lions and leopards, and so just really cute little images that you can use that come in this kit. And so I'm just trying all of them out to see which one I like best. And of course I had my heart set on that giraffe. It was so cute. But here's another little one if you like that one better. And these are the chipboard stickers that come in the kit. You can try that lion if you like him better. And on the other set there's a little monkey. There's some more giraffes that look like they're just very happy together, and then this adorable little alligator. But like I said, I have my heart set on that sweet little giraffe. She just looks so happy. Her eyes are closed with joy, and I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this front panel onto my card base with the adhesive that comes in the kit. And I always like to put that piece there in the middle. I always like to make sure my big panel is going to stay down, and then I'm going to adhere the mats. And when I put them down, I don't press really hard on these little mats because I want to make sure that the layout is the way I want it before I, push it down and get stuck with it. That's funny. It's no pun intended. It was the perfect one though. So anyway, then this really pretty little pink piece of paper there. I love those gold dots on it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use this double-sided adhesive that comes in the kit, and I'm gonna trim off the side and cut it down so it fits on the little legs of the giraffe here, and then place her on the bottom right of my card. And again, I think she just is precious. Okay, and then this cute little saying here, always in my thoughts. Now that's really cute. I wanted to add that heart because I thought that just, made it even more sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this Wink of Stella clear glitter all over the giraffe just to make her shine and stand out a little bit. So I really love doing that with my cards. I think it just adds another nice little touch. I love it. I can't help it. I just use too much of it. I can't help it. Okay, so now I decided to go ahead and use a gel pen. Now there were little dots on this piece. You can barely see them though. So I wanted to make them stand out more. I think it adds more definition to this little tag. And so you can see over to the left and to the right that I tried out a couple of different pens that I have. I've got some Sakura jelly rolls. I've got some Sakura Moonlight and Sakura Glaze pens, and I just decided to use that gel pen. So there they are right next to each other. Of course, the one on the right is the one that I love. And then I'm going to decorate the inside of my card, and I was going to use both of these pieces of paper, but I decided not to. Now this is a Spellbinders die cut. It's the A2 bracket borders, and I'm going to use this bracket one here, and this piece here is about 2 inches. I measure it here, and then I'm just going to cut that in half at 1 inch, and then I'll use the border die to trim off just the very very edge of each one, so that way both of them will create that really pretty bracket. So there you go. You can see how I did that. Now I was going to put it on the inside back panel, but I decided to put one on the right and one on the left instead. So I'm just trimming these down so they'll fit on my card perfectly, and then I'm going to adhere them using that same double-sided adhesive that comes in the kit. And when I'm done with that, I'm just trying to decide if I want to use that orange paper or not. I was thinking of it, but I changed my mind. The stamp set that comes in the kit has a sweet little saying, "A friend like you is rare," and I thought that was perfect. Now these stamps are beautiful little stamps. They are acrylic, they're not photopolymer. So with these words here, you want to be very gentle and don't press or you will get it smushed. So that is the card. Now I am going to decorate my envelope. I'm just going to stamp this sweet little giraffe on the front side of my envelope here. And I'm going to use some black onyx VersaFine ink to do that. Now she stamps beautifully on this notepad, and then when I go to stamp her on the envelope, a couple of the legs are a little bit, you know, they didn't stamp very well. So I'm going to use my micron from Sakura to go ahead and just fill that in. I'm just using a very light touch to get that line drawn, being very careful because I want it to match the width and everything of this stamped image. And it turned out great. No one will ever know. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm so glad you could join me. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.